The Enchanted Kite. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there was a cheerful girl named Mia. Mia loved flying kites more than anything. Every weekend, she would run across the meadow with her bright red kite, watching it dance high in the sky. One windy afternoon, Mia discovered an old, dusty kite in her attic. It was colorful and had tiny, sparkling stars on it. She decided to take it outside and see if it could fly. As soon as Mia let the kite go, something magical happened. The kite soared higher and higher, and a gentle, shimmering light surrounded it. Mia was amazed. She followed the kite as it floated gracefully above the trees and past the village. Suddenly, the kite began to guide Mia towards a hidden grove she had never seen before. In the center of the grove was a large, ancient tree with branches that seemed to reach out to the sky. The kite floated gently down and landed softly at the base of the tree. Mia approached the tree and noticed a small door at its base. With a curious heart, she opened the door and found a tiny, glowing lantern inside. As she picked it up, the lantern flickered to life and illuminated a hidden path leading to a sparkling stream. Mia followed the path and discovered a magical place where fairies and friendly forest animals lived. The fairies fluttered around her, singing songs of joy and laughter. They told Mia that the kite she found was enchanted and had led her to their secret realm. The fairies granted Mia a special wish for bringing their magic to light. Mia wished for the joy of discovering new wonders to always be with her, and the fairies granted her wish with a sprinkle of fairy dust. From then on, Mia's kites always had a touch of magic, and every flight was an adventure. She never forgot that special day and always cherished the memories of the enchanted kite and the fairy grove. And so, Mia continued to fly her kites with a heart full of wonder, knowing that magic could be found in the most unexpected places. The end.